Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the channel and thank you very much कंटेंट को इतना पसंद करने के लिए। और इससे मुझे ये मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि मेरी मेहनत जो है वो राइट डायरेक्शन में हो रही है। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं वैलिडेशन प्रोटोकॉल, टाइप ऑफ वैलिडेशन एंड वैलिडेशन में 3 बैचेस रन क्यों करते हैं। तो without wasting time, let's start. Validation. As per Food and Drug Administration, the goal of validation is to establish documented evidence which provide a high degree of assurance that a specific process will consistently produce a product meeting its predetermined specifications and quality attributes. Means जो हमारा प्रोसेस है ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंस जो एश्योरेंस देता है कि हमारी प्रोसेस हमेशा क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करेगा और जो डिफाइंड स्पेसिफिकेशन और क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स को मीट करेगा। वैलिडेशन हमेशा वैलिडेशन प्रोटोकॉल के अकॉर्डिंग ही परफॉर्म की जाती है। व्हाट इज वैलिडेशन प्रोटोकॉल? A document that describes the activities to be performed in a validation, including acceptance criteria of a manufacturing process. This protocol contains the objective of study, the site of study, the area where validation to be performed, the responsible persons like user department, QA, engineering, and technology department person. Then it contains a description of SOPs to be followed, equipment to be used, standard and criteria for relevant product and process. In this protocol also contains which type of validation is going to perform, then process parameters which we are going to capture in this program, then sampling, testing, monitoring requirements, predetermined acceptance criteria for final conclusion. Now we will discuss about type of validation. It is of 4 types: process validation, cleaning validation, equipment validation. Qualification is more relevant for equipments. Validation of analytical methods. Then process validation covers 5 types: prospective validation, concurrent validation, retrospective validation, revalidation, and periodic validation. Prospective validation is performed during the development stage of new product and system. Concurrent validation is performed after prospective validation for monitoring of critical processing steps and 3 validation batches monitored in it. Retrospective validation performed when a product has been in production since long time, maybe 4 to 5 years से वो उस पर्टिकुलर साइट पे मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहा है। इसमें 10 to 12 बैचेस का डाटा कलेक्ट करते हैं जो क्रिटिकल प्रोसेस पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, उनको एनालाइज करके रिपोर्ट तैयार की जाती है। देन वी विल डिस्कस रीवैलिडेशन. It ensures that changes in process environment may be intentional or unintentional do not adversely affect the process or product quality. Periodic validation. It is almost related to revalidation and carried out at regular scheduled intervals. Now, cleaning validation. It is performed as per cleaning validation protocol. It validates cleaning procedure with the worst case product molecule which is very potent on that equipment. Swab sample. Swab sample is collected after cleaning by a quality control person from the contact parts of equipment. After lab analysis, it is found that how much residue of that particular molecule is carried over to next stage and its impact. Now, why 3 batches run for validation? It is regulatory requirements for assuring quality in product. Minimum 3 batches must run. and maximum up to manufacturer as he afford the cost of this procedure. They can take 5 or 7 batches as per their requirement. It is considered that if we get desired quality in first batch, it is accidental. If we get desired quality in second batch, it is regular. And if we get same quality in third batch, it is considered as validated. सो होप आपने ये वीडियो काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया होगा और लर्निंग्स काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रही होंगी आपके लिए, तो आप ज़रूर इसे इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिएगा. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.